I'm Kathleen Maisie. I've been a massage therapist since 2007. I'm also the co-owner of Texas Massage Academy and TexasCEU. I'm excited to introduce a course to you. Check it out.
I need to schedule my back facial. Monday, I have a date with Mark. Tuesday is the gym at 10 a.m. Wednesday is girlfriend out.
Summer is almost here. You might not be thinking about it, but your clients are. Treat them to this Back Beauty Back Facial to help them prepare for a special event or swimsuit season. Make this your next fun and exciting Spa CE class. Spa services are a wonderful addition to any massage practice. Join us for this fun and exciting CE class, where you will learn about dry brushing, a hydrating and exfoliating mask, the ingredients, how to market it to your clients, and much more. Sign up now to be able to add this fun spa service to your menu.